Hello friends, welcome to Genius Books. I am Vinod Katkor, IS Monk. I am continuing this uh, video series with respect to SBI PO exam, preliminary exam. That's going to be held in the month of November. In test 1, we have solved 3 problems. Now the test 2, we'll solve some more problems here. I am solving problems from previous year question papers. Okay, all this 2022, 2020, 2021, 2018, all the questions. I have selected these questions from previous year question papers. Now, fourth problem in test 2 it will continue, that the reference number will continue. In first test we have solved 3 problems, and in second test we are going to solve from problem number 4. This is all about quantitative aptitude, in that numerical ability, in that we are solving approximation problems. Okay, you subscribe to my channel and you can even download my app, available free in Google Store. This is my app's name, where you will get a lot of free study material and even online coaching also. You can register for online coaching, where you will get more information and coaching. Now coming to this problem, the first step is we have to approximate. I told you. So this one is 0.024 is not near to 1, so you can neglect it. So it will be 3 into 0.08, again you can neglect it, 311 plus 0.91, it is near to 1, so that one you have to add to this 8, it will become 709, and minus again 0.99, this is also almost equal to 1, so that one you have to add to this will become 616. This is equals question mark, which you are going to find, plus again 0.09 is negligible, you can retain that 829 as it is. Okay, if I press it more it will become circle. This is 829. Okay, now approximation is done. Next step is apply BODMAS order. So division is not there, multiplication is there. 3 into 311, very simple. 3 1s are 3, again 3, 3 2s are 9, plus 709 minus 616. Bring this fellow from RHS to LHS. Then when you do that, the sign will change. This plus will become minus. Minus 829, which is your question mark. This is the answer. That is simplified. Okay. So add subtract horizontally, no need of doing vertical circus. Okay. Now what is 33 plus 9 is 42. I am adding this 33 and this 09. 42, 60, they are all minus, and 29. Minus 16 minus 29 will be how much? 39, 45. So it will be minus 45. This is larger and this is smaller, so you are getting minus 3 here. Let it be here. Now come to hundreds places. 900s plus 700s, it will be 1600s. These are all hundreds, okay? And one more is 6 is there. 600 and 800, 1400s. But minus sign is there, so you have to write minus and 14. 1600s and minus 1400s will be 200s. Okay, so minus 3 is here. You have to subtract this 3 from 200, you are getting 197 as your answer. So here 196 is there, which is nearer to 197 compared to all other options. So 196 is the answer for this problem. Hope you understood. Okay, now move on to the next problem. Okay, again approximation 8.99. 0.99 is almost equal to 1, so 8 will become 9. Then plus 12.2. 0.2 is negligible because it should be closer to 1. Then only you can take that 1 and add to the other digit. Now this is negligible, 0.2 is negligible, so I take only 12. This is all approximation. Minus again 0.2 can be ignored, then but 0.89 it is towards 1. I told you in my previous video, whenever the decimal number, if it is more than 0.5, then take it as nearing towards 1. If it is less than 0.5, it is not close to 1. So 0.89 is close to 1, so make this 9, 10, then it will become 20. This is equals question mark minus 39.88%. 0.88 is near to 1, so this will become 40. Percent means what? Denominator you have to write 100. Half is into 4400. So if possible, do simplification here only. This 200s you can cancel. Right. Okay. Next, border mass, apply border mass. The into is there. This is 21. Okay. Minus 14 into 20. That will be 14 2s are 28. So it will become 280. This is equals question mark minus 40 into 44. How much it will be? 4 4s are 16 and 4 4s are 16 plus 1 is 17 and 0 is there, so this will be 1760. To find this question mark, I want to retain question mark so that I can find what it is. So send this fellow to LHS. When you change the side, sign will also change. So this will become now question mark equals, this is here only you are sending this 17 minus 1760 to other side. So this will become plus 21 minus 280 plus 1760. Okay, now how much is this? 280 minus 21. It will be 259 plus 1760. How much is this? One side. This will be minus. Okay, you have to subtract because 280 is larger than 21, but 280 has minus 7. Now minus 259 plus 1760. You treat this as 60. So 760 minus 260 will be 500. But 59 is there. 1 you have taken more, so you have to add that also. It will become 1501. This is the answer. Here it is. Hope you are following what I am doing. Okay, they are very simple things. Now moving to the next problem. Wow, this is nice. 2 to the power of question mark equals, okay, first and foremost thing is approximate. 2 to the power of question mark, you have to find what this question mark is, equals 0.02 is negligible, so let it be 64, divided by 256.02. Again 0.02 is negligible, so retain that 256 as it is. Now 0.98 is here, so it is near to 1. Add that 1 to this 7. So this will become 2048 divided by 16. Simple. 64 divided by 256 into 2048 divided by 16. So simplify it. What is there? 16 1s are 6 and this is 16 4s are. This will be 4 divided by 250. This will be how much? 1 divided by 2, 6 and 4. See, now you are having 2048 in the numerator and denominator 64. This 2048 is divisible by 64. Before that, you can just simplify this. See, this can be the test of divisibility. You should know which number can be divided with different digits. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 you know, and 11, again 12, 13, like that. So this is 4 is there, 8 is there, so both are divisible by 2, that is fine. Now one more thing, which number can be divided by 4? See, when if you take a number, you see the last 2 digits, if those 2 digits, if it is divisible by 4, then the entire number can be divided by 4. So 64 is divisible by 4. 48 is also divisible by 4. So let us divide this. 16 4s are, and 4 5s are 20, then 48, 4 1s are 4, then 4 2s are. Now you have 512 divided by 16. Again, see, these 2 digits are divisible by 4. Then 16 can also be divided by 4. So entire 512 is divisible by 4. Now this will become 4 4s are 16 and 4 1s are 4, 11 is there, 4 2s are 8 and 3 is remainder, it will become 32, then 4 8s are 28. Again this can be divided by 4, 4 2s are 12 and 32 you are getting. So here 2 to the power of question mark will be 32. Yeah, here comes a question of exponential powers. So these are called bases. So you have to get the power of this characters, you have to find the base. So 2 to the power of some number, that is called index, it should be equal to the base of this. So 32 you keep on base is 2, so keep on multiplying 2. 2 into 2 is 4, 4 into 2 is 8, 8 into 2 is 16, 16 into 2 is 32. Fine. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. If you multiply 2 5 times, you are getting 32. That means what? 2 to the power of 5 will be 32. This is equals 2 to the power of question mark now. That's what is given here. So then equate this question mark to 5. You are getting question mark will be 5. So this is, you must have, you recall all those what you have studied in your primary school. So if base is same, okay, then index will also be same. A is base here, 2 is base, 2 to the power of question mark equals 2 to the power of 5 is there. So when base is same, you can equate powers also, exponential power. So n equals m, so therefore question mark equals 5. Fine, very simple problem. You should know about the laws of indices. Okay. Now coming to the 7th problem. Oh my god, what is this? Don't get scared, okay? Whenever you see such problems, you try to make it easy for yourself. You should ask, you to say, what is there? Okay, let me solve this. Why not? I can solve. So if you approach problems in such a positive manner, it becomes simple for you. Okay, now 499.91. 0.91 is closer to 1, so this 9, it will become 10. So this will be 500. Then question mark will be in the denominator. This is equal to all square root only for all this. Okay. 0.99 is near to 1, so this will become 256 plus 0.05 is negligible, so you can. So what is the square root of 256? I told you in my previous class, at least up to 30 you should know squares. What is 30 square? It is 900. What is 25 square? It is 625. What is 20 square? It is 400. What is 15 square? It is 225. What is 10 square? 100. What is 5 square? 25. At least you remember some important square numbers, then we can master other numbers also. Now 256. What is the square root of 256? It will be 16. If you multiply 16 2 times, you are getting 256. Similarly, if you multiply 9 2 times, you are getting 81. So square root of 81 is 9, square root of 256 is 16. So this will be 25. Fine. Now this side is LHS is what? Question mark is in the denominator. You send it to the other side. So this will become 500 divided by 25. This will be your question mark. Very simple. 25 1 and then 25 20. So question mark will be 20. 20 is the answer. It's very simple. Next, moving on to the 8th problem.